guys. Kind of nervous now. I hope it looks good. Charge on 24s, let's see. Bro, what the fuck? That shit is hard. Oh man. What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Juice with the Hemi 9, and today's video, man, I can't believe I'm doing it. Today's video, I'm gonna be revealing. Let me get my voice amped. I'm gonna be revealing what wheels I put on my Charger. Did I go 4s, 2s, 6s, 8s, 30s, 34s? What did I do? I'm gonna be revealing that today in this video. So y'all better spam this video up. Y'all better turn the fuck up. So yeah, watch the video. See what I got before. See what I got after. Hey, let me know what y'all think. Is it heat or is it trash? Let me know. But watch the video and you'll see. Today. Putting some wheels on this bad boy. So today, y'all gonna see what wheels I put on here. Nah, I've been teasing a little bit on Instagram, so y'all don't really know what I'm going with, you know. So I think it's time to let y'all know now. I'm gonna show y'all how I look before, and when we bolt it up, you're gonna see the after. But look, this is how I look right now. So as y'all know, I've already tinted the headlights and the taillights and you know all that and whatever. But these are how the wheels look right now. I believe I got the 235, 55, 18-inch tires on here right now. You know, just a regular, basic factory wheels and tires. You know, I got them bad boys shined up with the good years on there. I'm going 24s. I don't really care what nobody say. You know, they say, "Oh, you losing speed." Da 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 da. I'm not. This is my car, bro. I pay for this bad boy every month, bro. This is my car. I'm gonna do what I want to do to it. I like the speed, but at the same time, I ain't about to be racing these young niggas like that. I raced a few, but I like that look. I'm trying to turn heads. Mine gonna be different. It's gonna be the different Charger. Ain't nobody gonna have nothing like that. But y'all gonna see my theme that I'm going with though. Bit by bit, piece by piece, you'll see. So that's how I look from the front though. This is how I look from the back end of the car. You know, it's cool. I mean, the factories, they cool, don't get me wrong, but I can't never ride on factories, bro, for real. Too long, I can't do it. So we about to throw some 24s on there, and y'all gonna see what it look like. So stay tuned, baby. Big getting them off. You saying he ain't hard no more? Calipers, getting them red, front and back. Right. See how the back end.
Yeah, I know it.
Gonna be hard. Are you good? Boom here. Let's go. My goodness, baby. My goodness, My goodness, baby. Oh yeah. That clean ass 345 now. Can't tell me nothing, baby. Yeah, with the tinted out headlights, smoked out tail lights. Let me zoom in out for y'all real quick. Yeah, so y'all get a wide view. I'm going on around. And then you got the back end right here with the smoked out tail lights. Really need to go take it through a wash again. Yeah, y'all, this bad boy looking clean, 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 clean. Red calipers, as y'all can see. Just some regular old red calipers, spray painted from AutoZone. Little red spray paint. And on the back end, just give it more of a sporty look. But overall, I think it came out pretty good. It looked pretty good in my opinion. And we riding on 24s. Yeah, I want to get loose, but I want to wait for these people to move on out the way. Let's see if I still got it or not. Come on, I'm gonna just slow them down. Ain't nobody behind me. Wait for them to go. Slow down, come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Boy, they driving so slow, bitch. All right, let me see. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, that's still damn. Damn. I thought them falls gonna slow that bad boy down. We still piping, baby. We still piping, baby. We still piping. So yeah, y'all, we still, still piping that bad boy. Sheesh, still piping. So yeah, on 24s, I'm still piping it, and still got a little speed to it. I thought it was gonna slow down a little bit, but I ain't do too bad. But yeah, y'all, 24s. Sheesh! That bad boy is clean. That bad boy is mean. And that bad boy kind of green. All right, y'all. Okay, so that wraps up the video right there, boy. I'm on fire right now. I need a fire extinguisher. But let me take the damn hat off. But y'all, I tell y'all what, I want y'all to comment down below. Is it fire? Do it look good? Is it heat? What y'all think? How y'all like the Forzoner? What's your, just your thoughts. And also, I want people to comment down below if they want to take a stroll with me, because I think I might do that next. Just get some people's reaction. I think I'm gonna have my mama's reaction. I'm gonna get everybody's reaction on there. So comment down below what your opinions are. If you think it's a fire, trash, whatever. And also, stay tuned and comment if you want to be in another video and get a reaction, all that. So yeah, y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. Roll to 100 subs. It's your boy Juice for the Juice team, and I'm out. All right. One more thing before I go, y'all. I'm dropping pictures on my Instagram tomorrow. So stay tuned. Tomorrow, I'm dropping pictures. Tomorrow is Saturday. So Saturday, I'm dropping pictures on my Instagram. So stay tuned for that too.